Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So seeing the purchase was declined message on Etsy can be frustrating, especially when your card works everywhere else. This error usually comes from bank security systems or account verification checks, okay? So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the purchase was declined error on Etsy 2026 quickly and correctly. So first thing first, check your card details again. So incorrect information is the number one cause. So verify card number, expiration dates, CVV code, and card holder name. Return to checkout, re-enter details manually, and retry purchase. Okay, so avoid saved autofill data error. Confirm bank authorization. Okay, so banks often decline Etsy purchases because international transaction detected, online purchase protection triggered, unusual spending activity. So contact your bank or app and approve the transaction, enable international payments, remove temporary block, and retry payments afterward. Okay, so you can also check billing address match. So your billing address must match bank records exactly. So confirm street address, postal or ZIP code, country selection. So even small spelling differences may cause decline. Okay, so as a last solution for you guys, disable VPN. Okay, so security systems may block payments if location changes. Okay, so before you try and turn off VPN, avoid public Wi-Fi and use home or mobile network. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.